Hey there! Today I'll show you how to create a glitter gang sheet in Transfer Kingdom. It's just like making a regular gang sheet, but the glitter is added automatically. No extra steps for you. Let's get started. First, click Glitter DTF Gang Sheet Builder from the DTF Transfers panel. Once the page loads, select your desired gang sheet size and start building your design. From the Welcome panel, you can start a new gang sheet, open a previous one, or use Auto Build. Since this is a beginner's tutorial, we're going to start a new gang sheet. You can start by uploading your images through the shown panel, and you can select your design same way as it's seen on the screen. Or from the shown left panel, you can start by adding a name or a number, check your previously uploaded images, choose something from our gallery, or even connect your Canva account. Once your designs are ready, go back to the home section and select designs to add them to the canvas. A little heads up, the more you click, the more it appears on the canvas. After adding a design, you can adjust its size by dragging the corner dots or using the left panel. Oh, and just another heads up, make sure to check the resolution chart on the left to keep your design quality in check. You can also duplicate the design using the same panel. Outside of it, you can simply drag the design to move it. Moreover, in the upper panel, you can align, center, stretch, or rotate the design by 90 degrees. You can also change the size of the gang sheet or adjust the quantity. In short, this is the manual way to create a gang sheet. But if you find this too time-consuming, you can use the Auto Build option at the bottom left. Let me show you how it works. First, click on the Auto Build button at the bottom left. In the opened page, set the size of your designs, then select the quantity. If you need different sizes of the same design, simply click the Duplicate button to adjust it easily. When you're done, simply click Apply button and let the system work its magic. If everything looks good, click the Save and Add to Cart button to finish. And that's it, everyone! With these steps, you can easily create your own gang sheet. See you in the next tutorial, and happy designing!